Mix up, and don't think he's got back from here.
Well bowled again. Pan throws at the stumps and misses. The bowler throws though, and Kuldeep is gone.
Oh, gone! Gone! It's Klaasen who has to walk back. Oh, trouble at the non-strikers end. Now they want a single. But only one of them wants a single. Oh, brilliant. They want to sneak a buy-in. And surely that's got to be out. Up goes the finger. And 196 is where they will finish.
9 down the Capitals. He does. Oh, they're going to take one, a run-out chance again. He's gone! He's gone! It's all done! 3 run-outs to finish the game. The Mumbai Indians have stolen it.
And they take a single. MSD finds the stumps at the other end. Is Abdul Samad shot?
Mix up, direct hit, yes, and he gets it. There is the excellence in the field required to break this partnership.
Excellent. Now then. Delhi Capitals think they've got their man.
They'll go for the run. It hits the stumps, and I think there might be another wicket here, but it's a run out.
Well, there was hesitation with the running. Big hesitation. Sunil Narine doing the fielding.
Oh. Swings thin air. Now there could be a run out at the other end. Surely there is. Yes, there is. Direct hit. And a wicket. Ishan Malinga with the throw. And this is good cricket from Sashank.